Gift from Maruha. Yay! Meron na akong slippers. And this box. Ay! Ah! Hala! Camera! Camera! Oh my God! For Lovely! Puro food. Alam mo talagang makakain ko. And also, there's chocolate inside. Ayan. Crystal, thank you, baby girl. I'll never ever get tired unboxing all of these gifts. Another one. And this is to Daddy Shark from Kay or Kai. Thank you, baby love. Ang cute. Okay, so my most favorite word for the day is cute. And I really appreciate it if the gifts that you're giving me are talagang linked sa personality ko. So thank you, baby. Another neck pillow. And it's Hello Kitty. This is from Celestials naman. Okay. So, kapag galing sa Mo Children, there is a sticker na galing sa kanila. And also, if it's galing from Celestials, may sticker din. Oh, grabe ang effort. Thank you, babies. Mo Children again. Charlotte Hope! Nakakaloka! Another one from my Mo Children. Hoy, grabe na ang budget. Ang lala. Sad, walang letter. Pero thank you so much. This gift is from Pearl. Ang effort. Wow. So, I think these are all stickers. Tapos, ako to nung sa pageant days ko pa. And, syempre, with Mommy Shark. So, ito, meron din mga Celestial stickers. So, unahin na natin po. This gift is from my Celestial official. Yay! Another pajama set. Syempre, from my Celestial family. Thank you, babies! From my Celestial family. Ang cute! Hello Kitty again! Another gift from Dan. Shark ba to? Ang cute! Wala na ko ibang sinabi kundi cute. Another gift from my Celestial family. Ang effort talaga. So, anong meron? Hi! Magagamit ko to for sure. This is for Pocket 3. Ano ibig sabihin nun? And also, another jacket. And another lalagyan. Cute. Thank you, baby! Oh my God! Thank you! Wala akong masabi, but thank you. This is from Maan. Thank you, baby. Ang ganda. Look. So, for sure, this is for Mommy Shark and this is for me. Thank you! Okay, so nag-break time lang ako. We had a dinner with my national director, Sir Pao. So, now, let's resume. Okay, so this is a gift from... Yung box niya, may mga mukha ko. This gift is from Missy. Hala! Thank you! Another gift from my Celestials baby. Tapos, my shirt. Another gift from the Celestials. Hala! 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 Ang cute! Oh my God! For sure, Mommy Shark will be so happy with this gift. Hala! Ang ganda! Ay, grabe ko yun! Ang ganda naman! Thank you! Pinapaiyak niyo na ako talaga. I don't wanna cry because I am wearing contact lenses and my eyes are so tired right now. It's so spicy. Kasi I don't have enough sleep and I'm also sleepy. This is also from Ate Marie. magagamit ko to. Thank you! So I am right now at my hotel room and I am going to show you some of the presents that I have received earlier. Wow! Like, wow! Earlier with the Empire team, we already did some of the unboxing. So right now, I am going to show you some of the gifts that we unboxed. So etong una, shark! So this is from Leia. Lovely went out, lovely came back, Daddy Shark na pala, 5555. Ang lovely namin, Instant Shark ng Pinas. Welcome back to the Philippines. Open this to see your present from Leia. From my children. Ayan, so this gift is from Grabe ang Effort. From Jane. Hi, baby Jane. So another shark one. And this is a shirt. Thank you, baby. Next is from my baby Tina. So, meron tayong flower. This one is so cute. Also, a ball pen! I'm going to use this. And, unbox na natin. Ang sweet. Thank you, baby Tina. From Pop Mart! Hello! Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano siya. 3, 2, 1. Ang cute! Grabe! Thank you, baby Tina. So, may letter din. Hello to Daddy Shark. Welcome back. Sana magustuhan mo. And gamitin niyo po ang gift ko. Ako po mismo gumawa ng ballpen. And my fuzzy wire flower. Mag-enjoy din po sana kayo sa pag-open ng mga blind box. Yung Pop Mart zodiac sign mo, Pisces yon, ha? I love you always, Daddy Shark. From ABC Christina. Thank you, baby Tina. Love you more. Baka abot to ng ilang oras. Tignan natin kasi ang dami pang gifts sa likod. But I promise we will open it one by one. My mahal, Zaya. Thank you. Barbie, ang cute. Thank you. Syempre, of course, my favorite, the letter. Another from my children. Muchi. This one is from Res from GC1. Okay, open na natin. Ang cute! Same sa neck pillow ko. And syempre, again, my letter. Thank you, baby! This gift is from Inzi Tan from Tumuche. Welcome back, Chelsea! Welcome back to the Philippines. I hope you enjoy your vacation. Stay safe, pretty. God bless you, and I'm so, so proud of you. So, merong mga purple stuff. My Oreo! And again, another purple stuff. And ang cute! Thank you, baby! Okay, let's open this. Sana may letter inside. Pangit! Pag wala ka! Kinabahan ako doon, Mi. From SA, isuot mo na to. Magtatampo na ako sa'yo. Okay, sige. I love you and proud kami sa'yo. Thank you, baby. Tignan natin kung ano to. Ay! Ang cute! Promise, I'm gonna wear this. For Abyang from Dan. Nako, ano kaya to? Chocolate! Ang dami! Thank you, baby! This one is kinda heavy. So, let's see. Oh! Ang cute! Cute! Sabi na eh. Pajama again! Oh! I hope there's a letter inside. Okay, I'm going to check it later. But again, thank you!